In the midst of the complexities of relationships, dealing with the distance of someone we love is like getting lost in an ocean of uncertainties. When a woman starts to pull away, it can feel like a lonely journey, as if the ground is disappearing beneath our feet, leaving us adrift in a sea of indecision and doubt. However, even in the toughest times, there is a light that can guide the way back into her arms. In today's video, we will delve into the depths of these tumultuous emotions and highlight crucial actions that can make her return to you. Be prepared to uncover the secrets that will make her feel the weight of regret for leaving you. Are you ready to reignite the flame of passion and reclaim the lost love? Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Avoid creating an emotional spectacle. When a man realizes that a woman is pulling away, it's common to turn the situation into a full-blown emotional spectacle. He might engage in a desperate quest for the woman, begging for attention or airing grievances publicly. This behavior only reinforces the woman's power, showcasing how much he is affected by her actions. Therefore, it's time to abandon the drama. Keep your feet on the ground and act with normalcy, not giving unnecessary power to this woman. When the woman sees that even after her withdrawal, you don't care, don't insist on having her back, and continue with your life, she feels compelled to reflect on whether distancing herself was the right decision. The way you communicate also plays a crucial role. Showing neediness and always being the one making an effort to keep the conversation alive indicates that you are completely at her mercy. Instead of feeding the emotional spectacle, be the embodiment of calm and independence. Let your actions speak louder than words filled with desperation. Take control of your narrative and reclaim power over your life. Finally, remember that confidence and emotional distance can be keys to sparking her interest. Don't fall into the trap of the emotional spectacle. Stand out for maturity and self-assurance. The true protagonist of this story is you. Number 2. Always maintain consistency. If she chooses silence and leaves your messages unanswered, do the same. If she expresses herself briefly, follow suit. It's crucial never to offer more than you receive. Applying the hot and cold technique is essential when trying to win a woman over, providing a glimpse of paradise and then returning to reality. During the rare moments you are together, during the few encounters she accepts, be warm. Avoid using this time to air your grievances. On other occasions, especially in online conversations, be more reserved. Stay in your space and converse naturally, without excessive flattery or reminiscing about the meetings. Above all, avoid being the first to send a message saying how amazing the encounter was. Let her take the initiative, and if she doesn't, remain silent. In many cases, women eagerly anticipate men chasing them with passionate messages after encounters. Break this expectation. Another crucial point is to avoid persistence. When inviting her out, do it only once. If she declines, simply say something like, "I'll be out with my friends." This will certainly unsettle her, as she realizes that you don't insist on anything, and there's a real risk of losing you. After all, your life is active, full of friendships. Number 3. Be attentive and acknowledge your mistakes. Many men struggle to admit their own mistakes. By persisting in the same actions and getting negative results, they complain about the stagnation in their love lives. However, it's evident that if the recipe doesn't change, the cake will remain the same, right? Therefore, it's crucial to learn to identify mistakes within the relationship. It could be excessive actions, such as giving more attention than the woman desires, being overly jealous, or becoming distant to the point where she loses interest. Remember, balance is key in a relationship. Otherwise, your excesses will always harm your relationships. Acknowledge your mistakes and strive to be more assertive in your relationships. Correct your weaknesses and strengthen your positive points. By developing this self-awareness, you'll be ready to act to rekindle the charm in your relationship with this woman. Understand that change and growth are essential elements in any healthy relationship. By recognizing your mistakes, not only be willing to correct them, but also to evolve as an individual. Continuous self-reflection will not only strengthen the bond with the woman in question, but also contribute to your personal development. Taking responsibility for mistakes is the first step in building a solid and lasting foundation where both can grow together. Remember, continuous learning is the key to an enriching and meaningful relationship. Number 4, invest in open communication. In a relationship, communication is crucial for mutual understanding. Avoid keeping feelings or concerns to yourself. Instead, create an environment where both feel comfortable expressing thoughts and emotions. This not only strengthens the emotional bond, but also prevents misunderstandings. If you notice something bothering the woman, address the issue with empathy and a willingness to listen. Similarly, share your feelings honestly. Open communication creates a solid foundation for mutual understanding and strengthens the bonds of the relationship. Don't forget to consider non-verbal communication. Often, gestures and expressions speak louder than words. Pay attention to the woman's non-verbal signals and be aware of your own behavior. Investing in open communication is building a solid foundation for a lasting and meaningful relationship. Now that we've shared these powerful tips, remember that true connection is built with respect, understanding, and authenticity. Take the opportunity to apply these ideas positively in your interactions, cultivating a healthy and meaningful relationship. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with those who can also benefit. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. Thank you for tuning in, and until the next video,